In this video, I am going to explain about the Python list with the clear full methods. To learn this, please continue this video. Before that, press the red color button, subscribe button, then like button. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to Godzilla Bytes YouTube channel. Today I am already wrote the code of list. Here I wrote a equal to square. Inside the square bracket I have written here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is a list. To check that, we can print it's a hashtag is key which makes the code into hint. Hint means it will not work as a code. It will uses for information for programmer, other programmer. Okay. Now it will not work. If I remove that hashtag, it will work. Okay. If we can check a equal to list or not. I have printing that type of a. You press F5. Okay. It is showing list because it is closed into the square bracket, so it is known as list. Okay, we can use the keyword a dot append of. We use the dot operator to use the methods and of system. We can add system with the help of keyword append. Okay, we can try that. Before that, we can make this code unuseful. Okay, hashtag, then we can remove this code. So this code, these three codes will be used in this output. Okay, F5. Okay, it will print with system. It will append. Yes, try to add system to the list values. Then we can remove this hashtag. It will work. A dot pop of 4. It will delete the fourth index. Index means when the list of values start only with the zeroth index. This is zeroth index, this is zeroth index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index. So in the fourth index 50 is available, so it will remove 50. Okay, we can check. Okay, like that it removes the 50 because it is in the fourth index. We are using the pop word to remove the value in this list. Then we remove the hashtag in this B. We add the B equal to another list 70, 80, 90 with close with the square bracket, so it will become the list. Then we remove this hashtag. This keyword helps to extend the list with the another list. Okay, we are adding the B. The list in the B was added to the list in the A, so we using extend. So we can see the output by pressing F5. Okay, we can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 was removed by pop key, then 70, 80, 90 added by extend key. Okay, we can then these are the keys used in the list, which helps more in the Python programming. If you have any doubts in this video, so please ask to the comments. Then don't forget to press the red color button, the subscribe button, and press the like button if you like this video, and then share this video to your techie friends and Python learning friends. Okay, see you tomorrow.